You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it.
Ashley. So, if you guys have seen any of my other makeup tutorials, you know I suffer from severe hyperpigmentation and acne scarring. Exhibit A. Yes, girl. So I understand exactly where you're coming from. So I have a few tips on how you guys can get just a simple, full coverage, everyday look similar to mine, girl, using only affordable drugstore products. I got you, girl. Keep watching.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.
Alright, so I just want to point out that right here I'm using a tapping motion, a stippling motion to press the makeup into my skin. You guys do not want to swipe or slide the foundation all across your skin. That's not going to give you the look that you're going for, okay? So we're just going to pat the makeup into our skin and so it can settle there properly.
We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right.
Okay, y'all, so another tip is go ahead and highlight your face, okay? Because the concealer not only acts as a highlighter to go ahead and highlight the areas that you want, but it also, you'll see when I get to blending, it also acts as another layer of coverage to cover up the scarring, okay? So this step is really important.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed?
All right, girls, so now we just gonna blend for our lives, honey. Blend. And again, y'all, tap this concealer into your skin. Do not slide this concealer all across your face. Please.
You see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions.
All right, y'all, so of course the next tip is to set your concealer. We want to set everything that we've put on our face so that it does not budge. So we're going to set our concealer with powder, and then we're going to set the rest of our face with powder as well. This helps your makeup to stay all day, and those acne scars will not peek through. And y'all, I don't know who needs to hear this, but girl, with or without makeup, you are still beautiful. Don't ever let anyone make you feel bad about wearing makeup, okay? This is your face. You can do what you want with it, okay? And another thing, sis, if he can't accept your face without makeup, then he don't deserve your face with a full beat. Period.
Drowning in fears just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand.
All right, so yeah, we're just doing a little contouring. We just want to add some dimension back to our face so that our face isn't just one flat color, okay?
At midnight, so hard to please. Drowning in fears just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a bit.
So yeah, girl, if you're finding this video helpful at all, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love.
watching. I hope you guys found value in my video. If you did, y'all, go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and click on these videos so you can see what else I got going on. Go ahead. Click the video, sis.